Good morning. My name is Will Cook, and I'm the Family Self-Sufficiency Coordinator here at the Family Investment Center. And this morning we're going to be preparing hummus, a Middle Eastern Mediterranean dish that we brought to America and we put it to good use. It's a Mediterranean dish that is really quite functional. You can use it as a dip, a spread on sandwiches, or just as a snack. It's wonderful because it's high protein food. We got some of this past time in the food bank, and they come canned. You can get them freeze dried, you can get them, or you can get them fresh, and then you have to cook and prepare them. But when they're in the can, simply open them up, rinse them, and voila, you got your beans. You pour your beans into the blender. You pour tahini paste. Tahini paste you can get at most supermarkets. It's in the ethnic food sections. It's 1/3 of a cup of tahini paste around in there. And tahini is made from sesame seeds. It's ground up sesame seeds. So it's kind of like with peanuts, peanut butter. Tahini is sesame butter. And once you kind of put those two together, it's just a process of whizzing them together. And we'll do that here on our... Scrape it down just a little bit, and we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. I'm going to add our seasonings. We have 2 cloves of chopped garlic, we're going to do, you can salt and pepper to taste. I've done a little salt. I'm doing about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And for helping to smoothen the consistency, I'm going to use just a little water. You can also, if you like to, you can save the juice off of the beans, and you can use it. The other thing that's really unique about it is you can use it and you can whip it into a vegan whipped cream. It's called fava. And fava, again, we use for vegans and vegetarians who don't do dairy products. Maybe on a later date we can actually do fava cream. At this point, I'm going to drizzle olive oil in it to loosen it up. Voila, that's it. We now have hummus made from chickpeas, provided to us by the local food bank in our monthly food drives. We have them every second Monday here at the Family Investment Center, and we're grateful to our local Middle Georgia Food Bank for helping us help each other. And now this is just the process, let me put that somewhere safe, of presenting hummus. And once we got it creamed up, we actually simply put it into our serving dishes. You can put it into a sealed jar and put it into the refrigerator, and it can be used as a spread on your sandwiches. It's excellent with basically any kind of processed sandwich meat. It's great with vegetables. If you're just going to do a vegetable sandwich, your pickles and onion. Now, what I've done, you do here is you simply pour it into the bowl. You pour, let's get it out of the way we can see it. You pour just a little olive oil over the top, and that's your presentation. And to top it off for color and that little smoky flavor that we tend to like is just a dash of paprika. Okay, now what I have prepared here are a number of things that could be used for tasting, along with what I want to do is come over here and show back here at the stove, and we're actually warming and toasting our flour tortilla. And so many of the products we use today that were provided to us by our local food bank through our food hub that we then give to our residents here within the Macon Housing Authority. We have a monthly distribution, the second Monday of each month, here at the Families Investment Center. Currently it's a drive-through process due to our covert situation, and hope to see you there. Thank you. What we're going to do on this flour tortilla, once you got it nice and toasted, now see he's starting to smoke, so he's ready. We're going to turn him off. Hopefully we don't set the fire alarm off. And instead of doing on top of the stove, if you don't, you can always put the oven, pre-cut them, and then you can actually sprinkle them with just a little oil, olive oil, or spray them with a little your Pam or such, and you can sprinkle seasonings on it, put them in the oven, and toast your chips. That would be a way if you got more time and a little less flame. But now that we got it all toasted, look how beautiful that came up. We simply cut him into our portions, and he's got a nice toaster because he's kind of crisp. And again, there we have it. We've got our chips. We can eat it with squash, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, celery, little whole cherry tomatoes. But simply I've taken here and a spoonful on a chip. Fold it, stuff it, chomp it, chew it. It's delicious. That's a meal. Thank you.